Ford has just revealed the all-new Ranger Super Duty, a factory-built heavy-duty truck with extreme capability, rugged off-road tech, and serious towing power. In a world where hard work demands harder trucks, Ford just changed the game. This is the all-new Ford Ranger Super Duty, and it's not just a name. It's a serious, heavy-duty beast, purpose-built to carry more, tow more, and survive just about anything. Let's dive into what makes this mid-size pickup an absolute powerhouse. First up, looks that mean business. The Ranger Super Duty stands taller and wider, rocking massive 33-inch General Grabber all-terrain tires and that bold Super Duty stamped hood. It's not just for show. Ford calls this look ultimate tough, and from the steel bumper to the chamfered bonnet, everything's been built for a purpose. This isn't your average Ranger with a few mods. The Ford Ranger Super Duty is designed for work from day one. It's got integrated device mounts, a safari-designed snorkel, reinforced frame, and it's available in multiple body styles, from single cab to double cab pickup. Now let's talk numbers. The Ranger Super Duty from scratch, starting with a reinforced frame, stronger axles, and a suspension built to handle a 4,500 kilo gross vehicle mass and 4,500 kilo maximum braked towing. From its thicker chassis and 8-stud hubs to heavy-duty axles and bash plates, this thing is engineered to survive extreme, real-world work environments. Technology wasn't an afterthought either. You get a massive 12-inch touchscreen, sync system, 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, even trailer backup assist with yaw sensors for precision towing. Also featured is Smart Hitch, which helps balance trailer loads, and onboard scales, which estimate payload weight in real time via the sync screen. Ford didn't just design it, they punished it. From autonomous 24/7 durability testing to mud loads simulating mine conditions, the Ranger Super Duty survived it all. With front and rear locking differentials, upgraded low-range gear set, 6 drive modes, and improved water weighting depth, it'll go where few trucks dare. Arriving in Australia in 2026, the Ranger Super Duty comes in 2 trims, the work-ready base model and the XLT for long-distance performance. It's more than just a truck, it's a toolkit on wheels. So what do you think? Is the Ford Ranger Super Duty the future of mid-size pickups? Drop your thoughts below, hit like if you're impressed, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and reveals. Thanks for watching.